Go and be home in your country. Our government give us grants. Our government takes care of our kids. Go to your countries. Take your things. Are. Yeah. It's illegal. It's illegal on what you are doing. Take your things, sisters. Take your things. What you are doing is illegal. Government of South Africa take care of their kids. Take care of unemployment people. Stand up. Kids are writing exams who are begging with a child here. Take your kids. Tomorrow the tourists will be saying South African kids are struggling when it's Zimbabweans here. Go back home. There are robots in Harare. Stand up. It's a fast, it's a fast. It's a fast. What are you teaching this child? At any school, kids are writing exams. Kids are writing exams. We don't want foreign hobos. Samaya says, we are not going. We were going somewhere. We saw you. We turned back. We are not going to leave you. Our government takes care of us. Lunda, you said you give Mugabe third time. Go face Mugabe. Go face Mugabe in your countries. Go home, Raufela said. Go home. Hey, Emelang. Stand up. Emelang. Go and be hobos in Zimbabwe. Go and be hobos in your countries. Stand up. Stand up. Hey, take your water. Hey, go back home. Go back home. Go back home. If you want to be hobos, go to your countries and be hobos there.
Somebody who's still trying to find something in life. Those jobs are like that. So
right.
It's not a fight when you see these ladies are saying, please don't disturb her.
You're right. No, it's not. You know, you are speaking now. I understand. That's true. That the same things happen. That's true. You must benefit what belongs to you.
That is correct.
No, you have the right.
That's correct.
Yeah. You see, when she was talking, I didn't really understand. It's now you've made me to understand the truth. No, you have the right. You have the no, Mama, we are not fighting. We are not fighting.
I can never fight with a foreigner.
No, that's why my brother.
I don't have energy for that. I'm fighting the system, not a foreigner.
No. You are not. No, I'm not a foreigner.
I don't have energy for.
Yeah. Understand why
I can never put myself to that level.
No, it's very polite.
Yeah.
We are all civilized people. We can't be fighting.
No, indeed.
But it becomes a problem when we are being questioned by people who didn't question their own system that made them flee their country.
No one is questioning this.
No, for you to argue with her in her own country for her own resources when Nigeria doesn't give Nigerians free healthcare, it's a problem.
I'm not Nigeria even.
You are West Africa.
I'm not.
All West Africa are under Tinubu. Hey, get on. Hey.
I'm gentle. And those all, they are not getting all these problems.
No, Traore saying let's unite, but he has fixed Burkina Faso. Who's fixing? Who's fixing?
He's trying and he's telling others never.
Who's fixing Cameroon? Who's fixing Togo? Who's fixing Nigeria? We can't be fighting with you guys because of the
One opposition leader, Isa Churuma, is busy now. That old man, they will leave.
You must help him. If you are leaving him, it will be like Chivangarai when he was fighting for Zimbabwe. He was fighting alone. Singarai, Mugabe abused him until death because Zimbabweans left him there to fight alone. So you can't be here telling us that there's one man fighting there when you are in South Africa. You must go back. We want you guys to go fix your countries. You cannot fix your Togo from South Africa. Togolese must be there.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkososi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So these are Operation Dudula members chasing away hobos lapha emgwaqeni Pretoria emaforena. You know, it just doesn't make sense kokuthi umuntu angasuka eCountryni yakhe, asuke eMozambique, asuke eMalawi, asuke eCongo, asuke wherever lasuka khona South Africa ukuthi atohlala emgwaqeni and beg people to give her money or food or clothes. It really doesn't make sense. Like, I'm just trying to make sense of that situation. Yokuthi usuka to your own country, awunalutho, uya kulenye country, kokuthi utofika uhlala emgwaqeni ucele izinto, ucele imali. So njengoba sibabona, some of them baqhamuka nebantwana babambe amabhodi babhale ukuthi baqela imali, baqela kudla, baqela timpahla. So members Operation Dudula bekabadudula lapha ePretoria emigwaqeni kokuthi they must go and be hobos in their own countries. Awukwati ukuthi usuke eCountryni yakho ude South Africa utocela imali webantwini. Like, honestly speaking, boyapi, cause logo bonga kwenda muzi kuyakhe country, bonga hlala kuyakhe country ucele bantu bakunike timpahla bakuphe leyo mali leyo loyitsengako. So some people are really saying ukuthi hey mama foreigners nawo letinto labatenda kuqha tiyaqaka shem ngisho ufuna kuba defender. But itinto labatenda konje benda ukuthi bangadefendeki. So the second video besibona ama-foreigners asema-clinic lapha ase-clinic bayawaqosha awafuni, they are causing havoc. Into letendo abantu bokuchamuka eSouth Africa tiyaqaka shem. I don't wanna lie. I really don't wanna lie. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.